Hello my friends, I have some fun things to share with you, and are you ready for this? The best part about these is they coordinate with our club sets, the jar set, the jar to stamp set and die set. So you're gonna want to get a hold of these if you're a club member because they are fantastic. Now the first one could also be used, well they both could be also used on their own as well. This is called Words for Jar, and we have hello, love you, thanks, for you, happy birthday, just a note, and some flowers that match. Now these are perfect for coloring. So if you want to color these little pieces, you can color them using our markers, you could use colored pencils, you could use anything you want to color these. But wait, there's more, because we also have dies that match. Now, if you're using the shadow die, these are perfect for the stamp sets, the stamps themselves. However, if you want to cut out the words by themselves using the dies, here's one, this one says just a note, you can do that as well. But these are very, very intricate. So what you're gonna do is you are going to use the Stamps of Life adhesive on the back. So when you die cut it, and let's go ahead and run one through really quick because I want you to see this. When you run one through, you're gonna wanna make sure you have that adhesive on the back. I'm also running it back through because it's very, very intricate. Now look at this. It's in my die, and I'm gonna get my little paper piercer if I can find one right here. There's one. And we're gonna poke that out just a little bit, and look at how fun this is. Just, a note, and look at how intricate that is. And because I have that adhesive on the back, I'm gonna peel the backing off, and look at that. Woo! Isn't that fantastic? But it's very intricate, so just a heads up, make sure you have the adhesive on the back. It'll just make your life so much easier. Now, we have the stamps and the dies that match. We also have another stamp and die set that is called Label for Jar. Now it has this cute little fun label, and it has some little dots on the inside one. Then it has this fun label shape and words that will go inside as well for the jar. Now I have lots of fun samples. Let me share them with you. I have a ton. Look how many samples I have. Now if I go too fast on the samples, don't worry. You can go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and go to our online gallery, and all of these will be listed there as well. Just click on the stamps that you want to see. So here's a fun one that says hello. Isn't that beautiful? I love that label. It's the perfect size for this. Here's one that says, so happy we are friends, and it has the little dotted on the inside. Open it up. Thank you so much. Here's a cute one. Thank you so much, with a shaker card made out of those buttons in that jar. Here's one that says hello. Here's one that says happy birthday. Oh, here's another happy birthday and another happy birthday. Lots and lots. Look at this one. This is a fun one because this is a stand-up. Now, you'll also notice, this shape here of that label looks a little familiar now, doesn't it? Right, so what I like to do is I like to make sure everything goes together. So if you buy this label, this die will, and this is the Royal stand-up that I designed for Sizzix. So it matches the Royal dies as well. So much fun. Here's one. Oh, now we're looking at the Words for Jar. I'm sorry, is it the Words for Jar? I want to make sure I'm saying the right one. Yes, Words for Jar. So here we have love you with our cute little jar. Here we have thanks without it being colored, which is fun. Here we have it just in the dies, for you. Here we have it just in the dies, love you. Oh, wow, this is it. Oh, that's my favorite. Gotta show my favorite last. This is just a note, which is fun. And a lot of times I get people that ask for just a note a lot. And so I want to try to make sure I always have just a note. And so that one's fun. Here's a cute one, thanks. Sometimes you just need a word with a shadow and you need a whole kit together. This is the perfect die set for that. Just a note in stamps, just a note in dies. Here's another just a note in dies, but this time not using the shadow. Oh, here's that cute hello, because all of these words will fit on the jar as well. Just a heads up, they will fit on the jar. Now, here's my favorite. So Catherine got my favorite this time. This one says hello, all colored, really pretty, different colors. And then you open it up You are amazing. And it has our donuts and our coffee cup on the inside. Isn't that fantastic? This is kind of like a three-fer because it has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4. It's really fun. Now, club members, of course, you get the club discount on these products. If you're not in the club, go check out the club because you know what? You can be in the club for only $11.95 a month, and that includes shipping. That includes the new stamp set each month, and then you get a 15% discount on everything else on our website except the machines and online classes. Pretty awesome, right? Who doesn't like a discount? Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.